To give you a little background of the two of us, we are working here based in Chiang Mai, Thailand, the northern part of the country. We have been based here for well over a decade now, 12 years to be exact. Over the course of those years, we have built a life here in Thailand. That's why we thought of maybe putting up a vlog so we can share that too.
Aside from manifesting what you want in life, I think you need to work for it because without any action, things would not happen.
Which is the science behind manifestation? Kasi how come are you expecting results if you're not doing anything?
It's a Michelin menu.
That's that
Yes,
one, right?
Yes. The crab meat fried rice.
Now I remember na actually the reason we went to Van Landay 3 years ago.
Okay, your room number 204, room Thai, Grand Terrace Suite with outdoor onsen.
Flying a drone.
Oh, drone.
And I want to know what time and then where, which part of the resort can we do it. Chi. Parang hoji siya. Hoji siya ba to? Hindi niya
This is a restaurant menu. If you don't want to go outside, you can order 2 room service.
Okay.
Yes.
We have reserved at 8 p.m.
Yeah.
Is it gonna be here or
Outside?
ay, ang cute! The umbrella. Ay. Cute naman. Maganda daw akong babuksan ang curtains. Tingnan natin. Eh, Dong, gusto mo kunin itong set na to? Mag-alakart na lang tayo mamaya.
Busog ako kaya ayaw ko mag-set.
May 3 floors, di ba to, Dong? 3 iba-ibang klaseng rooms. Yung sa taas walang ganito. Yung sa baba naman closed off, so hindi kita yung view. So parang mas maganda ngayon dito sa second level. Kailangan lang pala natin ng terrace or balcony of this same size.
Yeah.
Tapos pwede ka dyan yung ang tawag dun? Yung herb garden na may levels, parang hagdanan. Dito sa gilid, tapos dyan mga flowering plants. Ay, let's formally introduce ourselves to you guys. So I am Yong.
And I'm Mike.
We do vlogs about travel and lifestyle, about filming, photography as a hobby.
And also life in Thailand.
To give you a little background of the two of us, we are working here based in Chiang Mai, Thailand, the northern part of the country. We have been based here for well over a decade now, 12 years to be exact. Over the course of those years, we have built a life here in Thailand. That's why we thought of maybe putting up a vlog so we can share that too. Saan tayo ngayon, no? Where are we right now?
So we are here at Onsen at Moncham.
Parang it's on the countryside and then the mountainous side of Chiang Mai,
25 kilometers away from the city.
which is an hour drive away from the city of Chiang Mai, which is, I think, very accessible. So around this area, you will find a lot of resorts and retreat centers if you want to escape the city sa May Chiang Mai. And
Oh,
also,
yeah.
it's Mike's birthday today. So
Ay, gano'n.
he's 34
We're
already.
both 34 na.
So since it's your birthday, can you like share to them or tell them what have you learned, or what is the greatest life lesson you've learned?
Aside from manifesting what you want in life, I think you need to work for it. Because without any action, things would not happen.
Which is the science behind manifestation? So manifestation is a change in your way of thinking. Parang you are conditioning your mind to making decisions, to making moves, to making actions towards that goal. Pero yung the cycle of it is not complete without the action.
Yeah.
Kasi how come are you expecting results if you're not doing
Doing
anything?
anything.
Parang if you think the universe is doing everything for you, parang all of the puzzle pieces are falling into place without you doing anything. That's nonsense, di ba?
Naalala ko din sinabi mo before na you can do great things pero wala ka namang ginagawa. Nagsimula kang gumalaw, may nangyari sa buhay mo. You remember that?
Yeah, because during that time, I think I was so much in my head. I feel like parang there's a magic part. But then adulthood taught me na there's no magic in it. Kailangan ng action. I think that's the missing ingredient. But my way of thinking already aligns with the goals that I want to achieve. However, I'm not doing anything. I feel like I'm in a fairy tale na. Pag inisip mo, yun na yun. Actually, hindi. Pag inisip mo, kailangan mo siyang gawin.
Gawan ng action.
Pero ang maganda kasi maganda din naman kasi na nando ka sa step 1. Naisip mo na siya. So yung decisions, actually malaki din siyang part of it.
Pero sa tingin mo, it took you a long time to achieve the second step.
Oo, kasi I procrastinate a lot. Yung resting and time on my own is a luxury. And I highly value that.
So anong na-realize mo nung nagawa mo yung second step?
Na-realize ko na totoo, I can do great things with action. Kasi nga, yun nga yung do eh. Kasi parang we all fixate sa can. Yung can kasi, parang lang siyang potential. Yung sa doing part is what harvest results. Gusto ko pag nakatayo ka.
Pipicturean ko to, akin na muna yan. Feeling ko maganda sa umaga. Kasi yung araw against it sa building.
This is beautiful yung night. Nakaamoy pa.
Ang arte mo dyan
Nagkilig yan. Nakita ko na pangit.
Picturean ko.
Dami palang empty.
Hindi, naburo na lang yan.
Daming dragonfly.
Ang dami nga.
They're my spirit animal. Alam mo difference sa dragonfly and damselflies?
I don't even know that. What's a damselfly?
Dragonflies, they rest their wings open. Ganyan. Yung damselflies, they rest their wings folded like this. Galing. Damselflies are tutubing karayom. Alam mo yung tutubing karayom? Tapos parang they're more elegant when they fly. They're parang it's fluttering. It's not flapping. It's fluttering like that. Yun. Maganda nga yung maraming dragonflies dito. Ibig sabihin, unti lang din lamok. Is that a flower? Ayun lang pala yung restaurant. Ang ganda naman dito. Black Swan. Natalie? Pero ang ganda ng light.
พูดไทยได้ไหม
นิดหน่อย
เป็นเมนูนะ
อันไหน
ครับ
โอ้ซาชิมิแปลก
That's appetizing.
Tawag dito? Parang sashimi na rin. It's good. Slowly. Saan kayo yung hybrid? Ay, ginawa siguro sa inyo.
It's the liar's the pig.
And then my physique. Amen.
Hindi naman yan.
Gusto na, maghanap kayo ng friends. Ayan yung may isa. Check mo yung mga charger. Usually, yun ang nakakalimutan.
Dito tayo sa
Banlanday. This is their second branch. They opened pala 2016, pero they first got into the Michelin Guide 2020. So from 2020 until now, they're still in the Michelin Guide. Wow.
First one appetizer is the mian kham.
Okay.
Yes, lotus flower. The signature, the sofia rice noodle with the fried shrimp with tamarind sauce. Seafood with the chili paste. The pork rib with red white sauce. It's a Michelin menu.
That's that
Yes,
one, right? Okay.
Yes. The crab meat fried rice.
Ang galing kasi Michelin restaurant to, pero yung prices are actually cute.
not that expensive.
Yeah. Pansin mo, yung appetizers nila from below 200 baht lang. Pati itong mga mains, ang okay sa kanila, merong yung ibang menu items, may 2 options for serving sizes. Pwedeng small, pwedeng medium. Kasi minsan hindi natin maubos. Maganda yan, in fairness. Now I remember na actually the reason we went to Banlanday 3 years ago because of Catherine Bernardo. Kasi during their Chiang Mai trip, they also went there. So ayun, we decided, oh, interesting. Over here, please. Hat. Kapang hat. Today, I'll teach you some Thai words, which I think will be very useful, especially when you're eating at a Thai restaurant. So, shrimp. Shrimp in Thai is kung. Kung. Pork is mu. Mu. Squid is plamuk. Plamuk. Ang hilig nila sa mixture ng iba't ibang components, no? Ganyan. This is lotus flower petal. Ito siya ganito. Anong lasa? Yung lotus petal itself, wala siyang lasa, pero yung fillings na yun ang nagbibigay ng flavor. May matamis siya na savory. Matamis siya from the coconut shreds. Tapos, savory yung shrimp paste. Marami din iba't ibang klaseng nuts. Medyo sour din kasi merong lime. Ang sarap ng crab. Grabe, laki ng mga meat.
Let's try.
So, Fort Tenda. Sarap lahat. No? Sobrang sarap. Kaya mo lang yung squid with shrimp. Sobrang lasang-lasa yung kaffir lime leaves. Sarap. Picture lang. Wow. Ano ba bang pag-usapan natin about
Gusto pag-usapin ko yung Vice Ganda kasi medyo malapit sa topic natin ngayon eh. Ang dami ang sinabing magandang kanina actually. Pero nakalimutan ko na.
Ako din kailangan ko mapanood yung buong video kasi nagmamadali tayo kanina.
That's why I don't like Vice Ganda. Kasi nanlalait daw. Comment natin sa Instagram na think yung napanood lang na video is yung panglalait na ni Vice.
It's understandable naman na not everyone likes her. Kasi her sense of humor is not for everyone.
Exactly.
Pero ang gusto ko sa sense of humor niya, galing siya sa honesty. Parang hindi siya kinuha out of thin air. Mayroon siyang point. May katotohanan sa panlalait niya. But I just wanna say to her, verbalize it to her, how much of an icon she is. No? Parang she's changed the landscape of not just TV, not just movie but pop culture itself. And also yung mindset ng mga Pinoy. Sobrang laki niyang driving force that influences how everyone thinks, how everyone decides, and what everyone does on social media and in their lives. Totoong she's such a phenomenon.
Yeah.
Parang siyang bagyo. Ang dami niyang na-achieve, na bago, na-promote, magturo.
Matulungan.
Pag inisip mong maigi, kung gaano kalaking impact niya sa mga Pilipino, ang galing niya, ang talino niya sobra. Sobrang niyang talino. Lalo na ngayon, hindi lang siya artista. She's also part ng production, behind the scenes, ng idea creation.
The icon.
She's a force. As in. Pero I think Showtime is still existing because of her.
Pero kung wala siya, I don't think so.
Matagal nang wala ang Showtime.
Yeah.
Pag outside of Showtime, yung ibang side niya is just as good if not better. Yung kanyang speaking skills, yung kanyang
Oh my God.
yung kanyang intelligence, yung kanyang writing skills, branding skills. Ang galing niya mag-branding kasi manager siya, nagmamanage din siya ng mga talent. Galing niya. Whatever she does, lagi siya nag-excel.
Yeah, totoo yan.